Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the exact settings pane that controls fonts. Do this now. Once there, confirm your current default font and size, and make sure you are signed in with an account that can change system or app defaults. If a custom font file is required, place it in the expected folder or install it first. You need these prerequisites because changing defaults will apply globally. Proceed only when you can reverse the change if necessary. Now, navigate to the default font or typography section and open the font picker. You will see families, weights, and sizes. Pick a family and then set a weight and base size that match readability goals. Once done, use the preview to scan headings and body text. Make adjustments until spacing and line height look natural. Make sure to hit apply or save. Some systems require restarting the app or logging out, so plan a quick check after reloading. Finish by restarting the app or signing out and back in so the new default propagates. Then check multiple UI areas and document types to confirm consistency. Look at headings, captions, and form fields. If kerning or legibility is poor, return to typography and tweak size or weight. If the change fails, revert using the reset defaults or reinstall the original font. That single troubleshooting tip usually fixes permission or cache-related.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.